In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card to Twitch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you head over to your Twitch wallet, you will be able to see the current payment methods that you have attributed. So click on your profile at the top right corner and go over to wallet. As you can see, my account doesn't have any, and it's very clear that there's no option to add a payment method from this window. So while you can add a payment method, to do this and attribute the payment method to your account, you have to start by purchasing a product. So most likely you want to subscribe to a specific streamer or you want to gift subs. So to do this and consequently save the payment method, proceed to the checkout window. So for example, I'm going to go over to this stream, click on subscribe once again, and finally they're going to give me the payment methods. So in here you can pay with a payment card, and usually after you are done filling out all of this information, they are going to give you the option to save this card, or alternatively, if you want to be sure that it is going to be saved, go to see more methods, and for most regions the payment is going to be done through Xeola or Xela, however you pronounce this. When you buy a subscription or you gift subs through this service here and you choose the card option, one of the options here is going to be save this card for automatic recurring subscription and applicable taxes. So all that you have to do is take this option. Once you tick this box, it is going to be attributed to your Xeola account and you can manage the payment method at any time. So essentially it is linked to your Twitch account. So either do it through Xeola when you choose more payment methods, or just fill out the billing information here. And as long as you subscribe through this page with the payment card or under see more methods, it is going to appear under the saved payment methods alongside your payment history, and you can manage it at any time after that point. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a debit card to Twitch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.